Hi guys, this is Imaja Anavilla. So one of the viewers actually asked ki, which college is better for placement. I think every one of us have the same issue. Every one of us are actually struggling ki which college to choose because we don't really know where placements are going on properly. And if we take it that way, don't keep any high expectations that this college is going to provide good placements or placements drive. And let me put it this way guys, hope is important. We hope everything goes well, but no expectations, because majority of the colleges say कि वहाँ पर है placement drive है, but we don't know how sure they are going to provide placement drive for us. And one other point is that if you are choosing engineering colleges and they say वहाँ पे placement drive है, guys check out the companies they have tie up with, because the colleges engineering के लिए है. I mean वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर placements they are from IT sector. Like many companies don't have the management department in them, so we can't apply to them. And in that conditions we have to check what are the companies they are actually offering in the placement drive. And I really do want you guys to check out the website. कौन सी companies है वहाँ पर they are mentioning that they have the contact with, like tie up with. And I think I want to say about the couple of colleges I have searched for myself, though I think they might have been in your list too. So I think you guys might have a bit of a help for me. So first thing was Osmania University. I'm not so sure कि what are the companies they have in a placement drive, but they do say कि they have the placement in the campus. So we have to check out if you guys are willing to go to OU, and everyone willing to go to OU, but नहीं मिल रहा है ना सीट. तो एक बार देख लीजिए कि इफ़ यू आर एलिजिबल टू गो टू उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी, प्लीज़ चेक आउट गाइस कि इफ़ दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग द प्लेसमेंट्स एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंपनीज आर इन द प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव. एंड इवन JNTU वो बेसिकली वेरी फेमस फॉर इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट के लिए. आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ इट इज़, बिकॉज my cousins everyone are from the engineering side. My bhabhi, दोनों bhabhi actually did the MTech and engineering from the JNTU, but they have no idea about MBA. My जीजू भी वहाँ से ही किया था MTech, but he have no idea about MBA. So I really think guys कि it's certificate has a very good value. So please do check out कि how's the college. Go yourself, see the environment, see the college. अगर अच्छी लगे तो join हो जाइए. And campus placements के लिए you have to ask your students who are already in the campus, who are studying, and you get much information from the students who are currently in the college, other than any people who are just going and checking out. And the faculty, वहाँ से कुछ भी information नहीं मिलेगा. Just go and ask the students who are actually studying there. And second is the third college in my list is CBIT. Even I haven't been to CBIT. I'm actually going to check out tomorrow. So I think it will be somewhat helpful for me to see how's the college. I think I'll make a video about it. Like I'll give you a review about CBIT as well. And what else? वहाँ पे actually placement drive है. I mean there are many people who studied from CBIT. They actually inform कि वहाँ पर अच्छी placements मिलती है, but we have to see कि कौन सी companies है. And I have searched the website. There are 4 companies which are actually relatable to management. One is JP Morgan, Deloitte, and I'm not sure if they have KPMG. They have Microsoft, they have Accenture, Google, and they have ITC. These are actually for every MBA student. They are for marketing, HR, and then they have Amazon as well, I guess. And from finance, these are the companies are very good for these 3 category of majors in MBA. And VGIT maybe है actually placement, but मुझे उतना अच्छा खास नहीं लगा. I don't know why, and I don't even remember exactly what companies are there in VGIT. I want you guys to check out the website once and see कि how's the VGIT campus. If you guys are wanting to go to VGIT, please go check out the college and then आप decide कीजिए. And website में एक बार देख लीजिए कि what are the companies that are actually offering in the placement drive. And Malla Reddy भी काफ़ी अच्छी है guys. Malla Reddy में भी you can actually check out the website for placement, what are they actually offering. And Bhavan's as my friend is interested in going to Bhavans, she actually inquired a lot about Bhavans, and according to her, they actually have a good placement drive. So she is interested to do her major in HR. She is already working in Accenture, so I think she knows much about the job placements, and she is really interested to going to Bhavans. वहाँ पे भी अच्छे placements है. And मेरी सजेशन ये है कि आप एक बार जाइए, कॉलेज को पर्सनली देख लीजिए एंड देन डिसाइड कीजिए. नॉट जस्ट प्लेसमेंट गाइस, आपकी कहाँ पर भी जाइए, आपकी डिग्री की सर्टिफिकेट वैल्यू बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट आई सजेस्ट इज, फर्स्ट आप सर्टिफिकेट की वैल्यू दीजिए एंड देन गो टू प्लेसमेंट्स. एंड एक और बात यह है कि आप एक चेकलिस्ट कीजिए कि व्हाट आर योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड देन चेक आउट is the college you're searching is actually fulfilling the requirements you have. And मेरी checklist ये है कि it has to have good environment, good professors, good campus thing, and then traveling भी देखना है. Actually काफ़ी दूर है every college, so मैंने traveling को लास्ट में रखी है. एंड देन वी नीड दैट वैल्यू, सर्टिफिकेट वैल्यू एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. कहाँ पर भी जाओ, आपको प्रमोशन चाहिए तो योर सर्टिफिकेट वैल्यू गिव्स व्हाट वी से प्रायोरिटी ओवर द अदर एम्प्लॉई. सो सर्टिफिकेट वैल्यू देखिए एंड देन आप प्लेसमेंट्स अगर काफ़ी अच्छी है आजकल कैंपस प्लेसमेंट, सो वो भी देखिए. सो ये प्लेसमेंट्स ना आप एटलीस्ट सेकेंड और थर्ड प्रायोरिटी में रख सकते हैं, नॉट द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. According to me, I think priority differs from everyone, so आप प्लीज़ देखिए. एंड वो भी है, I think it might be helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching the video.